Why does your scanner show the P0344 engine code? What does it mean? P0344 is a diagnostic trouble code for camshaft position sensor A, circuit intermittent. This engine code indicates that this means the engine control module, ECM, is not consistently receiving correct data from the camshaft position sensor, which provides critical information for fuel injection and ignition timing. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Defective camshaft position sensor. Faulty wiring and connectors. Damaged camshaft sensor wheel. Engine control unit issues. Timing issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Chevrolet, Honda, Nissan, and Porsche models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.